Damaged liver, declining kidneys, and partially blocked artery. As the world's strongest man, Mitchell Hooper heads into the enhanced games next week. Hooper is running 750 mg of testosterone per week, 100 mg of anadrol per day, and 50 mg of halotestin per day. And what these compounds are doing to his body is going to shock you. When these oral steroids enter the body, they travel straight to the liver first. The liver's job is to break down harmful substances and send the byproducts to the kidneys for excretion. But these drugs are specifically designed to resist the breakdown. So instead, the liver absorbs the damage. His ALT came back at 160 and AST at 70. Both enzymes are heavily elevated. And this is the direct cost of stacking together two of the most hepatotoxic oral steroids. But the damage did not stop there. Before I reveal further damage, follow me as I break down the blood work of top athletes. As the liver also controls the cholesterol markers, due to liver stress, his total cholesterol exploded to 252. HDL, the good cholesterol, crashed to 32. And LDL, the cholesterol directly linked to plaque buildup, shot up to 202. Luckily, triglycerides and bilirubin are within range. But then the heart scan confirmed the damage. Doctors found plaque inside the left anterior descending artery, also called the widowmaker. The blockage is already between 25 and 49%, which is highly abnormal for someone who's just 30-year-old. But then these compounds also increase water retention. The same water retention helps build strength and muscle size, but also raises blood pressure, which has slightly damaged his kidneys. Filtration rate has dropped to 68 and creatinine is elevated at 1.42. But unlike the liver, kidneys do not recover once damaged. The decline is slow, silent and irreversible. Imagine 3 organs all showing damage. Hooper himself admitted if this damage keeps progressing for another 20 years, it could cause a heart attack. He has a 2-year-old and 7-month-old daughter at home. He knows exactly what he's risking. The real question is the title worth leaving them without a father? Share this with a friend who's taking these compounds and never got his heart checked.